Thank you, Vinod. Ladies and gentlemen, let me begin with a brief introduction of Priyadarshini. Priyadarshini Academy is a prominent socio-cultural and educational organization which was established in 1984 by its chairman, Mr. Nanak Rupani. Over the years, it has expanded its activities into various areas and has, to its credit, a host of accomplishments. In 1993, Priyadarshini Academy created history when it presented a portrait of late Prime Minister Shri Rajiv Gandhi on his 49th birth anniversary to India's Parliament House. Mr. Rupani was given the singular honor to address a distinguished gathering of members of Parliament, chief ministers, governors, central ministers, and other dignitaries in the Central Hall of Parliament. This unique privilege served to highlight the Academy's achievements as an NGO. The Academy's primary focus is education. Every year, it provides educational scholarships to deserving and underprivileged students. With the help of these scholarships, several thousands of students have gone on to become successful doctors, engineers, and scientists. Some of Priyadarshini's other activities include the presentation of literary awards in 4 languages and the National Integration Through Dance and Music project, which provides a platform for upcoming artists to showcase their talent. The Academy's biennial Global Awards function, which you are currently witnessing, is an event of world significance. These awards acknowledge and honor outstanding contribution of individuals in various spheres at the global level and are comparable only to the Nobel Awards. A souvenir to commemorate this occasion will be released later today. Priyadarshini has recently forayed into the arena of publication. India has always been a storehouse of knowledge, and the world looks at India as a knowledge center. The Academy is committed to sharing the bright light of India's heritage with people all over the world by presenting it in a format which is more in line with current times and also having these works translated into several languages. One such undertaking has been the research of Chanakya's teachings, which have been summarized in the publication Kautilya's Arthashastra. Other publications include self-development books and guidebooks for teenagers and their parents. Most people feel that Priyadarshini Academy is an alternate name for Nanak Rupani. Mr. Rupani is the chairman of Neutron Electronic Systems Private Limited, which provides complete telecommunication and security solutions. He is a board member of Jai Hind College, a trustee of the multi-speciality Leelavati Hospital, and is actively associated with a number of other business, social, and educational institutions. Mr. Rupani's personal motto is that service to humanity is the best work of life. While a successful businessman by profession, the Academy has been his passion and his obsession. He has overcome what many would describe as impossible odds to bring the Academy to the height which it is at today. Dynamic, perseverant, determined, enthusiastic, an outstanding organizer, a leader par excellence, Nanak Rupani is a visionary who is unstoppable in the face of all odds. Before I call upon him to give the welcome address, एक शेर अर्ज है, मुश्किलों में भाग जाना आसान होता है, हर पहलू जिंदगी का इम्तिहान होता है, डरने वालों को मिलता नहीं कुछ जिंदगी में, लेकिन लड़ने वालों के कदमों में जहान होता है. I'd like to request Mr. Rupani to give the welcome.